got a Mercedes E220 in for the can Immobiliser. So we're currently still doing 3 tag leather case and Faraday bag. In your pack, you'll get everything you need. You'll get your emergency override. We'll give you spare battery for the tag, little screwdriver, our contact details. So the tag's in range, so the vehicle will automatically start and disarm. So if you watch the bottom right hand side lights indication, got a quick green flash there of the side lights. That means we're disarmed and we can now select gear. Back into park. I'll now rearm and hide the tag. Tag is now hidden away in a Faraday bag. So I'll show you how it works now. The vehicle will start and run, but as we select gear, you see it just bounces back to park. Cannot drive this vehicle. So we must now enter the customer's demo code using buttons available. So if you watch the indication light on the bottom right, I've just entered the customer's demo code. Flash there of the green side lights. And now when we select gear, stays into drive. And then we switch the vehicle off. And again, for convenience, this one doesn't rearm until we exit the vehicle. So we can start and drive off again. But as soon as you exit the vehicle, double flash, we're now fully protected. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call, Tony Lit Car Security, 0333 012 9028.